Hi, welcome to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Question Part 29. Question 181. Which of the following are examples of horizontal scaling? Select 2. Now the options are: Option 1. Add more instances as demand increases. Option 2. Add more CPU RAM to existing instances as demand increases. Option 3. Automatic scaling using services such as AWS Autoscaling. Option 4. Scalability is limited by maximum instance size. Option 5. Requires a restart to scale up or down. And the correct answer is Option 1. Add more instances as demand increases. Option 3. Automatic scaling using services such as AWS Autoscaling. With horizontal scaling, you add more instances to a fleet of instances to service demand as it increases. This can be achieved automatically by using AWS Autoscaling to add instances in response to CloudWatch performance metrics. With vertical scaling, you are adding CPU, RAM, or storage to an existing instance. This may involve modifying the instance type, which typically requires a restart. With vertical scaling on AWS, scalability is limited by the maximum instance size. Correct. Add more instances as demand increases is the correct answer. Correct. Automatic scaling using services such as AWS Autoscaling is also a correct answer. Incorrect. Add more CPU, RAM to existing instances as demand increases is incorrect, as this is an example of vertical scaling. Incorrect. Requires a restart to scale up or down is incorrect, as horizontal scaling does not require a restart of existing instances applications. Incorrect. Scalability is limited by maximum instance size is incorrect, as with horizontal scaling you add more instances. Next question. Which feature of Amazon S3 enables you to create rules to control the transfer of objects between different storage classes? Now the options are: Option 1. Object sharing. Option 2. Versioning. Option 3. Bucket policies. Option 4. Lifecycle management. And the correct answer is Option 4. Lifecycle management. To manage your objects so that they are stored cost effectively throughout their lifecycle, configure their Amazon S3 lifecycle. An S3 lifecycle configuration is a set of rules that define actions that Amazon S3 applies to a group of objects. There are two types of actions. Transition actions define when objects transition to another storage class. For example, you might choose to transition objects to the S3 standard I storage class 30 days after you created them, or achieve objects to the S3 Glacier storage class 1 year after creating them. Expiration actions define when objects expire. Amazon S3 deletes expired objects on your behalf. The lifecycle expiration cost depend on when you choose to expire objects. Correct. Lifecycle management is the correct answer. Incorrect. Object sharing is incorrect. Object sharing refers to the ability to make any object publicly available via URL. Incorrect. Versioning is incorrect. Versioning enabled you to automatically keep multiple versions of an object when enabled. Incorrect. Bucket policies is incorrect. Bucket policies are used for controlling access to buckets. They cannot be used to move data between storage classes. Next question. A cloud practitioner is creating the business process workflows associated with an order fulfillment system. Which AWS service can assist with coordinating tasks across distributed application components? Now the options are: Option 1. Amazon SNS. Option 2. Amazon SWF. Option 3. Amazon SQS. Option 4. AWS STS. And the correct answer is Option 2. Amazon SWF. Amazon Simple Workflow Service SWF is a web service that makes it easy to coordinate work across distributed application components. SWF enables applications for a range of use cases, including media processing, web application backends, business process workflows, and analytics pipelines to be designed as a coordination of tasks. Correct. Amazon SWF is the correct answer. Incorrect. AWS STS is incorrect. AWS Security Token Service STS is used for requesting temporary credential. Incorrect. Amazon SQS is incorrect. Amazon Simple QA Service SQS is a message QA used for decoupling application components. Incorrect. Amazon SNS is incorrect. Amazon Simple Notification Service SNS is a web service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and send notification from the cloud. SNS supports notification over multiple transport including HTTP/HTTPS, email, email JSON, SQS, and SMS. Next question. How can you deploy your EC2 instances so that if single data center fails you still have instance available? Now the options are: option 1, across VPCs; option 2, across regions; option 3, across availability zones; option 4, across subnets. And the correct answer is option 3, across availability zones. An AZ spans one or more data centers, and each AZ is physically isolated from other AZs and connected by high-speed networking. If you want to deploy a highly available application, you should spread your instances across AZs and they will be resilient to the failure of a single DC. Correct. Across availability zones is the correct answer. Incorrect. Across regions is incorrect. You could deploy your instances across separate regions, but this is not necessary to create a highly available application and introduce complexity and cost. For example, you may need multiple ELVs, one per region, complex name resolution, and potential data transfer charges. Incorrect. Across subnets is incorrect. Subnets are created within AZs. Therefore, if you deploy resources into multiple subnets within an AZ and a data center fails, you may lose all of your instances. Incorrect. Across VPCs is incorrect. You should deploy across AZs within a VPC. Next question. What do you need to log into the AWS console? Now the options are: option 1, username and password; option 2, access key and secret ID; option 3, certificate; option 4, key pair. And the correct answer is option 1, username and password. You can log into the AWS console using a username and password. You cannot log into the AWS console using a key pair, access key, and secret ID or certificate. Correct. Username and password is the correct answer. Incorrect. Key pair is incorrect as explained above. Incorrect. Access key and secret ID is incorrect as explained above. Incorrect. Certificate is incorrect as explained above. Buy our CLF-C01 premium dumps with 50% off. Check link in the description.